Bangkok tonight and I'm going to Chiang Mai. I'm going to take the night sleeping train all the way from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, and so I'm going to show you around what the train looks like. I've seen so many videos about quite some adventures, so I'm pretty excited to see the comfort, what it looks like, and yeah, I'm gonna show you everything. So I am going to go to the train station pretty shortly. So I think I'm gonna grab a grab. And side notes for train tickets. So I booked my ticket long in advance on 12goasia.com. I'm going to put the link in the description. So a few things to know before when you book a night train. So if you book the night train a few days before or on the day of, you don't need to pick up your ticket. However, me, because I booked it long time in advance, I had to go to the 12Go Asia office booth to pick up my tickets. And so it's really important to know that. And then when you pick up your ticket, you have also, they ask also for your passport. So when you book that in advance, you really have to make sure that you grab your ticket before you go to the station, because they don't provide a ticket at the station, from what I understand. So yeah. Oh, there we go. Changmai, 6:40. Gate B. So I guess this is the waiting area here. Made it to the station. I think I have about an hour to wait. So I'm just going to chill. Get a lot of food for the train. I know they sell some food, but obviously it's gonna be probably more expensive. So, but as a backpacker, you live on the budget. So I got a lot of things from 7-Eleven. That's the way to go. a sink, small sink. Definitely gonna change the air conditioning is blasting. I guess you have actually, I can't even remember, but I think yes, you do have an options with either if you want to do the air conditioning or not. I think I did choose it, but it is so cold, so I'm definitely gonna change. Put a sweater on, put a long pants. I got prepared for it because I know it. You even have another 2 sink here, a mirror. What's in this? Oh, there's a restaurant here. Wow. About 8:30 right now. They're putting the bed for us, so it's time to change, to put some sweatpants because it's freezing. I actually asked the guy if they can if we can turn down the AC because it's absolutely cold. So keep in mind that you need to bring sweatpants and sweater if you go on the train. On you see there is this lady that asks you if you want coffee or tea in the mornings. That's really nice. There is also water included as well. And whenever you book your bed, the price is different according to obviously if you want a private room or not. There is a private room. I'm on the second class, and also the bed, if you book the upper bed or the lower bed, is a different price. I booked the lower bed because I know that the lower bed is actually wider than the top, so for that reason it's a little bit more expensive. Let's get ready for bed. But no, at 6 o'clock they put back the seats from the bed, and yeah, I think the lady is gonna serve us coffee or tea now, and yeah, just go back to her seat. Tea? Yeah. Thank you. I'm good, thank you. 7:30. Okay, I made it to Chiang Mai. So overall, the experience was good. I slept, I would say, pretty okay. Obviously, not to be expected to have a deep sleep when you sleep in a train, but it was not too bad. I think I got some decent sleep. It's pretty spacious in a lower bed, so, and also the temperature was okay. I think because I asked the guy if he can turn off the AC, and also because I think on the lower bed you don't have that much AC as comparing as the upper bed. So that's something that you keep in mind if you book your bed. That's that. And also a little surprise that actually the tea and the breakfast actually wasn't included into the ticket. So there was a little bit of not scam, but like just be aware that if you order like a tea or coffee, that they're actually going to charge you is 130 baht, and either you can get a coffee or a tea, and they give you as well a little brownie with that. So 130 baht. Yeah, overall I will definitely redo that again. I think it's a great experience, maybe much better than the bus. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like to help for my channel, and I will see you in Chiang Mai.